There is a black hole so powerful, it controls an entire galaxy cluster. It sits 5.7 billion light-years away, and it lives at the center of something called Phoenix A, one of the most extreme environments ever discovered in space. Scientists didn't expect this system to exist, but it does. Phoenix A is not just one galaxy. It's the heart of a massive galaxy cluster, a city of galaxies bound together by gravity. At its center is a supermassive black hole, millions of times heavier than our Sun. And around it lies an ocean of superhot gas, so hot it glows in X-rays. This system should be calm, stable, predictable, but it isn't. In most galaxy clusters, the hot gas cools very slowly. Star formation happens at a gentle pace. But in Phoenix A, something shocking is happening. Stars are forming at hundreds of times the normal rate. So scientists asked, how is this much gas cooling so fast? The answer led straight to the black hole. Normally, a black hole at the center of a cluster heats the gas around it. Its jets act like a cosmic heater, stopping star formation. But Phoenix A is different. Here, the black hole is both fire heating the gas, snowflake, and somehow letting it cool at the same time. This creates a rare balance, where star formation explodes instead of shutting down. Astronomers call this the cooling flow problem, and Phoenix A is the most extreme example we've ever seen. The black hole in Phoenix A launches jets of energy so powerful they carve cavities in space itself. Each burst releases more energy than billions of stars combined. These jets stretch for hundreds of thousands of light-years. This isn't destruction for the sake of chaos. This is cosmic regulation. The black hole is literally controlling the life cycle of galaxies. Phoenix A shows us something incredible. Black holes don't just swallow matter. They shape the universe. They decide when stars are born, when galaxies grow, and when cosmic cities thrive or fade. Phoenix A isn't just a strange object. It's a reminder that the universe is still full of surprises, and some of the most powerful forces are completely invisible. Subscribe for more.